Hello YouTube. Welcome to your channel EarningTrend. The reason to make this channel is to show you how to make money online, either as free or investment. We teach you online legit method. We just hate scam, scammers, and spam. Please subscribe us to get our daily updates. Warm regards from our Click on subscribe button. Click on bell. Check on send me all notification. Hello friends, I am Harry. Today I am going to show a new way to earn cryptocurrency. Website link on description. Earn anywhere, anytime, from any device. Storm Market creates more earning opportunities for people all around the world by utilizing technology. We make it easier for members to find new ways to earn. Storm Market is changing the way that people all around the world earn with one simple motto: earn from anywhere, at any time, from any device. Blockchain enables microtransactions to be carried out in an efficient manner. The difference is around human-centric user interfaces and experiences. You can exchange tokens in BTC. You can see the price and market capitalization of Storm in CoinMarketCap. So all you need to do, just download the app. Link on description. So app is installed. Read the instructions. First you need to log in with your email ID. It's simple to earn Storm. I have 1000 bolts at the movement. Click on it to see how much Ethereum and Bitcoin have. You can see the leaderboard, that how much people have bolts. So click on claim to earn Storm. This is 30-second timer running. After that you can close it and you can see 500 bolts credit in your account. After 30 minutes you can claim again. This app will give you notification when timer is ran out. So guys, install the app, earn Bitcoin or Storm, and hit like the video.